Hey guys, welcome back. Today I show you how to you work in graphics design in your mobile phone. Normally when we work in graphics design or create a logo design or banner, we use Photoshop or Illustrator in computer or PC. But today I show you how to you create how to you work in graphics design in your mobile. So for this, just using browser, not any software, and you must be connected with internet. So after connected, then go to Google Chrome and search here photopea.com. Okay, then here you see it is the website link, and it also have a website, but it is not good. So just go here photopea.com, and you see this, it is a nearly the Photoshop picture. So here everything you get, see that every tool has also, and gradient tool, smooth tool, fan tool, everything here you get. So you can easily design anything, and you can learn graphics design from here. And also here you see that layer option, character option, several option here like Photoshop. So just a simply a design created by this. So for this, go to file and new, and then click here, you select the your name. So just simple name, new project, and white. Then I select the create. You can change the size, it's depend on you. Then just here I file, I want to come here and a fixture and open and place. Click here and file. So from here I just select a fixture. So for this, just select a fixture, and it is also placed in this fixture. Just wait, because of it is online, so it's loading in. So here you see that it is came here, but it is lower the background, so we need to, it is upper in lower, just drag it. Okay, then here you see it is come here. And also you can select text from here and write in this, such as okay, then select it, and you can increase the font size from character here and uppercase, and I increase size. Okay, and change the color from here, just select a default color. Okay, then press OK. Also I can use here a gradient color. For this, I select a layer and create new layer. Just click here and click new layer and gradient color. So from here, just select a gradient color like this, and then just drag it. Okay, and from here, okay, here several picture, we no need. So select the layer and lock it. Okay, and just drag it here. Okay, and change the color in text. So I select a character and change the color from here. Just select the white color. Okay, and the layer is under the layer, gradient layer. So I just and change the color here. Okay, in text, enter, done. And also I can change the text characteristics like as font size, style, everything. Here you get bold. Select the characteristics from here. Okay, I select the default font, and also you can just increase it, decrease it from here, or bold, and then also can increase from here. Okay, now it is completed, so you can easily edit design from here, and you can learn the Photoshop basic from this. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you new in the channel, please subscribe my channel, and please like this video, and subscribe. Don't forget to share and comment your important opinion. Thanks for watching this video.